Hello there, Mono Snow Vlogs here with another snowboarding video. Today, we're at Mountaincreek in Vernon, New Jersey. I'm actually pretty late putting this video together. We hit this resort in early February. Mountaincreek isn't a resort that's new to us. We came here quite a few times last year. They offer a triple play ticket, so you can get 3 days worth of riding for about $170, and it's their best value, in my opinion. So, this video is a collection of 3 days worth of footage. Mountaincreek is one of the larger resorts in the area. They have their terrain separated by 4 different peaks. So, where we parked, we're going to head up to Vernon Peak first. You could take a trail over to Granite Peak, and then from there, there's a very slow, pretty flat trail over to Southside. Over there, they have South Peak, which is all the terrain parks, and then Bear Peak, which is Black Diamond runs. We always go on weekdays, where they opened at 10, and the trail over to South Peak opened at 12. There's also another parking lot where you can reach South Peak directly. They're known to get very busy on the weekends. Their elevation is 1,480 feet. They have a total of 46 trails and 8 lifts. Their trails are all pretty decent in length, taking about 5 to 10 minutes to get down depending on how fast you ride. We reserved our passes online, so once we got here, we just had to find the employees in the orange snowsuits to get our physical passes. With the triple play, you just hold on to the same pass and use it for the next 2 days. They allow you to come any day. And actually, the first day that we came, we didn't know, but they had a Special Olympics event going on. They had some of the trails blocked off, as was the lodge for most of the day. Their trail markings weren't really the clearest, and we did accidentally go down a blocked off trail. So we did spend most of our first day by Granite Peak. And now we're headed over to Southside. Now we're over at Bear Peak. Now, we're taking the pretty long lift back to Granite Peak. that concludes our triple play for Mountaincreek. I definitely recommend checking them out. They have a little bit for everybody. Having a whole peak dedicated to terrain parks is pretty awesome. I would just recommend checking out their website to see if there's any events going on prior to your visit. They do a lot of stuff here. And visit on a weekday if you can. Thanks for watching my video. We only have a couple more trips before the end of the season. We have some Vermont mountains coming up, and then it'll be back to riding bikes for us. See you in the next one.